Welcome to 31323 Birdhaven Street in Ocean View, Delaware, right next to Bethany Beach, and we're going to start this home tour off right now. This home is being offered. It has a 2-car garage, nice deep driveway. We're going to show you all the features. Huge lot. So it's almost a half an acre, and it goes all the way to that other extra garage right in the back corner. This street comes off of a road that is no outlet, so you have lots of privacy. And just beyond the blue house there across the street is the canal, and that canal goes out to White's Creek. So there's a look at the home. We've got some stairs going up to the top deck and sunroom. You can also get in through the garage. So this is the lot. Nice, huge lot. If you have an RV or some boats that you want to park, things like that. And then here's inside this, nice and dry. There's electricity in here. So here's inside this garage. Nice for storage. Okay. Wood floor. Ramp here. This is a nice nook under the deck, the top deck, for the bottom deck. So here we are in the garage. It is a huge garage. So you have 2 cars that can fit here, plus you have a lot of workspace. Okay, there's an extra fridge. And then there's some extra space off this way, which is an office. Lots of outlets. You have a window. So something to consider for people that work at home or just want their own home office. Here it is, away from the rest of the home. There is a closet here. And then here is most of the inner workings of the home. You have the hot water heater, the well pump. Now this is on public sewer, but it does have a well. So there's all of that, nice and clean area. Nice steel beam there. So there is a gas heater. If you wanted to work in the garage in the wintertime, you could hook that up to some propane. Here, there is an outlet if you wanted to hook in an RV. So if you wanted to park your RV in the driveway and then have a hookup for it, you can do that. But nice, big, open, clean garage. Okay, so we came in that door, but this door goes up inside as well. So you have the washer and dryer down here and a nice wash sink. And if we go through, this actually goes back out. So this would be the main door, okay? This was by the lower deck. And then we actually went into the garage through the garage side door, okay? But there's several ways to come up here, so. These steps were built pretty wide. I think that way in case someone ever wanted to put a stair lift in, there would be room for it. So we just came upstairs, and here we are. Nice combo kitchen living area, vaulted ceilings with a ceiling fan. And then off to this side is another door, so that goes out to the deck. So we'll see that in a minute. But you have a closet. Carpet was just cleaned. 2 sliding doors. Huge island here. Your kitchen, dishwasher, lots of cabinet space, lots of lighting, lots of natural light. The microwave is being replaced, so that'll be coming soon. But lots of cabinet space, tons. This pulls out if you want to put a TV on there, or something that you want to push back into a cabinet and only pull that out when you need it. Some shelving. So also a fun feature is in the island is built-in table. So this pulls all the way out and gets put together very easily as a nice table that you can sit around right here. And when not in use, you can just slide it right back. And there it is. All right, so here's the view out the kitchen sink. And you can see the water in the canal right across there. But let's check out this sunroom. These are nice Anderson doors. Slide nice. Ceiling fan out here in the sunroom. All these windows open up. Okay, so you can catch the cool breeze. They slide easy. They all have shades that come down. And then this opens up to the deck. So here we are on the deck. There is an automatic awning, comes in and out, shades you from the sun. This gate can shut here, but this would be the stairs back down to the driveway. And the view overlooking your beautiful lot here. But yeah, we'll walk all the way around here. Again, you have the sunroom, you have the shaded deck. And then this way, let's see what's behind this door. Oh, a beautiful outside shower. So everything's ready to hook up there. And there's your outside shower. So spend a day at the beach, come rinse all the sand off. And this door goes back inside. There we go. All right, so let's just get a perspective again, and then I'll show you the bedrooms. Beautiful. So also, I spy a nest. Look at that. Beautiful community here. So another nice thing about the location is that there is no HOA and you're not in town. So this is just county restrictions. Very low restrictions, whatever the county allows. No town restrictions and no HOA. So if you want to put your boats and jet skis, RV, plenty of room here in this lot. Beautiful. I could sit out here all day. We're back into the living area. This is the automatic button for the awning. So the button's right here, and it'll slide right in. You have nice plantation shutters here that you can use, and they slide. All right. All right, so this is 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. And to our left here is the first bathroom. You have a standard tub, shower, sink, the usual. Then we have bedroom 1. You got 2 windows here in this bedroom. Ceiling fan. This is also attic access. And we have closet space, so a good amount of closet space with shelving. Then we have bedroom 2. So again, with the plantation shutters on the 2 windows here, you have a skylight. You have a ceiling fan. Carpet that was just cleaned. And then the bathroom, another full bath here. Large area here with a sink, a skylight. Nice walk-in shower. There's also a heat bulb there. And nice size closet here with shelving and a pocket door. So here we are back in the living area, and that really completes the tour. We're at 31323 Birdhaven Street, Ocean View, Delaware. The zip code's 19970. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2-car garage with a 10x10 office, built in 1992 on 0.42 acres, right off of White's Creek in Ocean View, which is right next door to Bethany Beach. And we saw how close it was to get here. It's minutes away from the beach.